Hello, this is Ron, RGN Networking, doing a video clip for Puget Sound Periodontics. In this short clip, we're going to focus on Logmein, how to use Logmein, and how to remotely access a computer. In this specific example, I'm going to log in with my email address and password. I will see the list of computers that I've been approved for Puget Sound Periodontics, and I will log into the panel computer at Federal Way. Here we go. Open up your web browser, logmein.com. Here's a home page for Logmein. Top right corner, we have a login. At this point, you should be using your specific email address. Ideally, we shouldn't be sharing accounts, but if you need an account, give us a heads up. Dr. Kane, Claire, or myself. So the email address that I use is my RGN. Punch in my password. If you want, go ahead and put a check mark here. It's optional. On a successful, sorry again. Okay, on a successful login, again, depending on your credentials, you may or may not see all of these computers. Okay. Again, the focus is on panel computer at Federal Way. Each computer has EL, FW, or WS. EL for Eastlake, FW for Federal Way, WS for West Seattle. Again, the example for this scenario is panel 1. I'm going to select panel 01. This will be the computer that I will remotely access. I'll click it one time. It'll take me to this page. I think this part right here confuses end users the most. The username will always be staff. The password, if you don't know it, give me a heads up. Login to. Very important, it says PSP, nothing else. It has to be PSP or this will not work. Okay. Staff, our company password, login to is PSP. I'm going to hit login. No! Oh, sorry. Remote control. When you click on remote control, it will initiate a download. If you look towards the top right corner, it'll look like something like this. If you're using Google Chrome, very good chance it'll show up on the bottom left corner of your web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. I'll click on the client. This will initiate the remote session window. And here we are. If you get a pop-up like this, it's okay to allow it. So after I had initiated the client, it will load up this window right here. And if done correctly, properly, it will give me remote access into the Federal Way computer. Federal Way panel computer. And then from here, I can access Dentrix. I can access our panel scans and conduct work as if I'm standing physically at the computer in Federal Way. You have this little floating menu right here on the very top of your screen. The three boxes, it's equivalent to hitting Control-Delete. I'm hovering my mouse on top of it, and as you can see, that little pop-up, Control-Delete. Okay. I doubt you would ever touch these, so we're just going to skip them for now. And again, when I have remote access into this particular computer, I have access to Dentrix, everything that we would normally have access as if we were physically at the network. When I'm done with my remote access, we want to click on X. This will close my remote session and take me back here. I can click on disconnect. This will get me out of the panel computer. It'll take me back to our Logmein central page. And then when I'm all done, I could just simply log out. Short, unedited video on how to use Logmein for Puget Sound Periodontics. If you have any questions or concerns, you can find me on the Google Hangouts. See you soon.